How do you declaratively interact with Kubernetes? A declarative interaction with Kubernetes is you creating a file, in this case a YAML file, that states what you want your Kubernetes configuration to be. Kubernetes takes that file and will spin up containers to match that state that you defined. So you declare a state and Kubernetes will do all the work to spin up the necessary containers in order for you to get things running. Behind me, we have our terminal on our first Kubernetes node. What we're going to do is use a YAML file to spin up a pod. We start with a nano. We'll call this test pod2.yaml. In test pod2, I've already kind of built out the definition for our pod. We started with an API version, which is v1. The kind is pod. We then have a metadata definition, which would include the name of the pod. We then have a spec definition where we include our containers with the name of Nginx and an image of Nginx. So we define a pod, and in that pod is one container named Nginx. We then save that file. We can then run that file by doing a kubectl apply. We pass through the -f flag and point it to our file. Now it says we have created test pod 2. Let's do kubectl get pods. You can see test pod 2 is running. And let's delete it with a kubectl delete pod test pod 2. And then we do another get pods, and there we go. And that is how you use a file to interact with Kubernetes. If you like this content, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, boys.